Hello there, beautiful people. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment and I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. Please be a witness for that for over 200 now videos on Shopify customization because they were mostly requested by you guys, subscribers. Some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. Just a like button, it's all I'm asking. Or actually, hold on a second. If you are interested in Shopify and you want to know how to do anything yourself without having to hire a developer, why not subscribe to the channel, man? I don't have anything to sell. I don't sell any courses, never will. I don't have any paid memberships on the channel. So every little thing I do create, I posted completely free on the channel, including the codes and the videos how to implement those codes. And not just any random videos. Those videos are actually questions and requests from people that having issues with their Shopify store. I make a video for them. So it's a win-win situation. But I let you to decide. It's your choice. And I respect your decision. Just a like button if this video helped you out. Even if it didn't, just drop me a comment. I will be happy to provide you the information you need in order to do the thing you're trying to do. And here I am again back with another requested video as always, which is how to hide or remove the page title on some specific pages only on your Shopify store. Yes, you heard that right. So if you want to remove or hide the title on specific pages only, this video will help you out. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is the Shopify store, Shopify dashboard, sorry, and this is the theme down, which is the one I do demonstrations on. So every video I do create, I do demonstration on down theme because it's the most requested one, also is the most used one. But if I scroll down in here, I have every other free Shopify theme, the most used once again, which is Refresh, Spotlight, Taste, Sense, and Trade. And if you are wondering why is that, because I do actually try the codes behind the scenes on all of these themes. So I'd make sure that even if you're not using down theme, you're using one of these, it should work for you just fine. And I just have to say this in the beginning to give you that peace of mind because you're gonna see me doing it on down theme and you might be thinking, oh, maybe it's not working for the others. No, it is. And here is your peace of mind, and with that out of the way, let's just get to it and show you how to remove or hide the page title on your Shopify store. And this is the Shopify store where I do all the tricks. So every little thing that you see in the Shopify store, I did it in tutorials, literally everything. So if you saw anything here that you liked and you think it looks good, and you want to implement it in your store as well, then just check out the channel. Because once it's here on the Shopify store, that means it's already done in one of my previous videos. I don't remove the changes here, I keep them so people can see them. So let's just access some page from here. Let's just go for this one, for example. Contact us page. So we will remove this title only on this page. We will not go like broad, we're using a code that will remove all the titles. No, only on this page because we will go by the section ID. And the section ID is unique to each section and each title on the whole website, which is Shopify store. So we will keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it. We will actually get back to this section before we do the trick. So the first thing you're going to do, get back to Shopify dashboard. If you are already in Shopify dashboard, click on online store themes and click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit code. It will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. And in here, we need to find a specific file. Instead of looking at the folders, you might get dizzy. Use the search bar at the top left corner and search for, again, I have to mention this for the billionth time now. It's going to be either base.css or theme.css or style.css. And some rarely custom made themes going to be custom.css, but they mostly use base or style or theme. Mine, I know it's base. I'm going to type in base. Here it is base.css. Click on it. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, sorry. Let me drag this down. Here we go. Now, we need to create some space at the bottom of the file to paste our code. But there is no space. To create that space, simply click front of the last thing in here, front of it, which is in my case is closing bracket, then hit enter on your keyboard. Here we go. We have a completely new space to paste in our code. And where are you going to get that code? As always, description box. Scroll down description box and you will see a link named as code, completely free. Just click on it. It will take you to this page right here where you're going to see this very short code, as you can see. So simply select the whole code, right click and copy and paste it at the bottom of the file. But hold on, we didn't finish yet. So get back to the page that you want to hide the title on. As I said, I want to hide it from here. So the next thing you're going to do is right click on the page and click on inspect, which is the last option in the menu. After that, let me switch to the desktop so you can see clearly. Alright, so in here, click on this little icon on top, right here on the left panel of the inspect page, click on it, and after that simply select the title, just like this you see. Now click, and it will highlight it on the code for it. It will highlight directly the class name, but that's not what we need, because the class name is general, is a name for all the titles on your Shopify store. We need the ID, section ID. Go up by using your cursor. Go up a little bit, more, you will see ID here. You see section ID, and if you go over it with the mouse, it's gonna highlight the section where the title is, just like you see right now on the screen. So this is the section ID we need. Simply double click on it, here it is selected, right click and copy it. Copy the section ID and get back in here, and you see on the code, it says section ID, as you can see here, ID and section. Select just ID and section, remove it like this, and paste in the section ID that we did copy. Paste it in here. Now if we click on the save button, let's just click on save, wait for a couple of seconds, it save it. We will get back in here, reload the page, and see what that will do. Ta-da! No more title on this page, and only in this page because we did targeted by using the section ID, which is unique to this specific title. And that's how you remove the page title on some specific page only on your Shopify store. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below, but for now I think my job is done. So thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.